Welcome to this class on creating a RHEL 9 virtual machine using VirtualBox. In this class, I will guide you through the steps required to set up a RHEL 9 environment on your computer. Before we begin, let's go over the prerequisites. You should have VirtualBox installed on your computer. If not, please download and install it from the VirtualBox official website. You need to have the RHEL 9 ISO file downloaded and available on your computer. Let's start by launching the VirtualBox application on your computer. To create a new virtual machine, from the menu bar click on Machine, then New. Or you can directly press Ctrl-N. Or click on the New button in the VirtualBox toolbar. Enter a name for the virtual machine. Choose the RHEL 9 ISO file you downloaded earlier and click Next. Specify the amount of memory you want to allocate to the virtual machine. The recommended minimum is 2048 megabytes. Specify the number of processors you want to allocate to the virtual machine to 2 CPUs. Create a virtual hard disk by selecting Create a virtual hard disk and choose the desired disk size. The recommended minimum is 20 gigabytes. Click Finish to create the new RHEL 9 virtual machine. Select the newly created virtual machine from the VirtualBox Manager. Click on the Settings button to open the virtual machine settings. Go to the System tab, click on the pointing device drop-down list, and select USB tablet to ensure that the mouse will work on this virtual machine. Then click OK. To start the RHEL 9 virtual machine, select it, then click on the Start button on the toolbar, or you can directly double-click on the RHEL 9 virtual machine. The RHEL 9 installation process will begin. Follow the on-screen instructions to install RHEL 9 on the virtual machine. Once the installation is complete, the virtual machine will restart. Enter your username and password to start using Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9. Congratulations! You have successfully created a RHEL 9 virtual machine using VirtualBox. You can now explore and work with RHEL 9 in a virtualized environment. I hope you found it helpful in setting up your RHEL 9 environment.